How to collect emails with Google Sites for affiliate marketing. So open a web browser and search for Google Sites. Then select this link which says Google Sites Sign In. Now you can use these ready-made templates or you can create your own. So for this, I will be using a pre-made site. We will use a third-party website. The third-party website will be MailChimp. So click this link, MailChimp Marketing Automation and Email Platform. So if you don't have an account, it is important for you to click this option which is sign up. But if you already have an account, then proceed to log in. Click this option which is create, then click the drop down arrow button beside sign up form. So for this, I will be using the embedded form and then click begin. You can customize this form by clicking these options. So in form fields, you can opt to add these options by clicking the toggle button. So when you click these options, you will see this box beside set as required. So if you want to set phone number as a requirement, then just check the box beside set as required. So now you will see this asterisk beside phone number. Now once you're finished finalizing your embedded form, click the continue option, click copy code. Go back to the Google Sites and then select this embed option. Then go to embed code and paste the code here. Then click next and then click insert. So you can drag this circle here to adjust the form. Once you're satisfied with how your site looks, you can now publish it by clicking this option. And that is how you collect emails with Google Sites for affiliate marketing. Thank you and have a great day.